So here what I'll do, I just want to return in the division. I'm going to take one heading. That heading is count. Count in the flower brackets. You want to return something means you have to use the flower bracket in the React. Okay, so now done. So after this I just wanted two buttons over here. Just take the two buttons. Here I just want increment button. Here I just want decrement button. Okay, now increment decremented button will be C. There is a missing of N. You just write it correctly. You have to write it. Okay, save. Done. Now if you see, there are like two buttons. If I click this button it should increment. If I click this button it should decrement. That is what the we have to do. Correct? For that what we have to do here, you know that when I on click there, I just want to write some logic. So what logic we have to write it? Very simple. Use the function, arrow function I'm using it now. Set count of count plus 1. Very simple. That's what we have to write it. Like way, here in the decrement section what we have to write it here? Count minus 1. Only changing the expression. It is going to. See? Now if you see, if you increment, it is going to increment by 1. If you decrement, decrement by 1. This is what happening. See, properly you can see it. See, increment to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. Decrement 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, like this. Okay, it's a simple project we created with the React. Like this we can create other examples also. I'll show you with one more example. Just I'll take it out. I don't want set count. I just remove it. Here I just want to use a form kind of thing. So let's give in the form I just want my name set, use set name. Okay, then you have to use the state. Stays in that it's very empty. First initially what we are not accepting initially as a name. So okay, after that only we are going to accept it. So there I just want to use input there, placeholder enter your name. Okay, done. After that what I need, I just want one heading. Let's take, I just want heading hello, and after that I just want to display whatever we entered in the input as a name that I wanted to display it. What I'll do here, name, simple. I just want to return my name. Correct? Observe here, if I'm writing Preeti it is not going to display here, right? So for that we need to write it some logic. What is the logic? Very simple. Here on change, write it properly. On change, in that I'm going to take e. It's a variable like function, arrow function I'm using it. Set name, whatever we enter in the input that should be target the value, e dot target dot value. Very simple expression. Now if you see, no need to refresh. If I write here Preeti, see automatically it is going to update like way. automatically it is going to reflect in my page. Like this, we can create many applications using the React.js. Suppose not only this, you can change everything, guys. Okay. Mm, I hope this session you liked it